This is the handlebar assembly. So you see we assembled the left hand, right hand control and grips on the handlebar, and even the handlebar post. So in order to hide the control wires, so you see we make the 2 holes on the handlebar, and so the control wires go through the handlebar down to connect with the main wire harness. So you will see in the future the complete handlebar is very clear, not many wires stripped together with the handlebar, because the wire already hide into the handlebar inside. So very easy, and then just use the driver to fix the handlebar assembly onto the bike. So not difficult. Just try to make it the handlebar straight with the frame, with the bike. So you can see the complete front end of the handlebar with the headlight look like this. So okay.